Ogai mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kod nyawadgi mar KANU Gideon Moi chako Kampeins ka giloso kod jopiny e gwenge ma kadho wath nam chumbi mondo mi koro migi sir wan Azimio wan Kenya. Kalonzo mane loso ewi chendo no kaka ochan olero kanyo ni gidhi wuotho e gwenge go mag Ukambani ka gichomo gwenge ma kadho wath nam chumbi ahinya to Mombasa kochakore mlolongo odiochieng' ma kawuono kendo koro gibiro tieko wuoth ma kamano Mama Ngina kochopo chieng' ngeso. Bende omedo ni en Kampeins no magidhi bedo nyaka gi jalar kom governor ma Mombasa gi otiko mar Wiper mano Mike Mbuvi Sonko mondo mi koro bende ong'e ahinya e gwenge go mag Mombasa.
We are proposing as Wiper Democratic Movement and hopefully to be joined by our friend Senator Gideon Moi within the framework of OCA. We are proposing to make a 2-3 days tour of the coast region. On this trip, I am inviting the leaders of the time, particularly Wiper Democratic Movement leaders, to join us on this trip. And governor candidates in Machakos with their teams, governor candidate in Makueni and their teams. And if Kitui people can also manage, because it's a straight run through Lower Eastern, they are more than welcome. And all the candidates, particularly those who have the tickets, the Wiper Democratic Movement tickets, are also welcome to join us. We will be drumming support for presidential candidate Raila Amolo Odinga, and we will also be joined on this trip by Governor Sonko. As a matter of fact, it will be like a grand entry for Governor Sonko into Mombasa, and along with his deputy, Ali Mbogo,